What's up, guys? It's been a little while since I've made you a drink, so today we're going to make my second favorite cocktail of all time, the Mint Julep. So let's see what we need. Today we're going to use some Buffalo Trace whiskey, some simple syrup, and mint. And this one we're going to make directly into the glass. So get some fresh mint. Make sure you have leaves. You could buy it in the store like this, or you can grow some mint if you'd like. And probably what we'll do is take a full single sprig. You probably want 4 or 5 leaves. Pluck the leaves off and throw them into the glass. It's important here to use a metal glass. So this is something like you'd make a mule in, and they also have julep glasses specifically for that. So you're going to put in your leaves. And one more thing you're going to need is a muddle. Okay? So what you're going to do is grind up those mint leaves pretty well. You should really start to get the aroma from the mint, and you'll probably even start to see a little bit of sort of a syrup, kind of a sap maybe, coming from the leaves at the bottom of the glass. Just a little bit, just coating the bottom of the glass. It's the oils, of course, from the mint. Grind it pretty good. You can kind of get that smell, really good smell of the mint coming off there. If you've done it too much, it might start to get a little bit bitter. But if you do it just right, you'll have some of those oils and a really nice aroma coming off the mint. Leave the leaves in there. Next, go ahead and take your simple syrup, 1 ounce. 1 ounce simple syrup, right in the glass. And lastly, 2 ounces of your bourbon. Just like that. And your final ingredient, crushed ice. And the thing about the crushed ice here, you're filling the entire glass full of crushed ice. Once you get it filled to the top, you can give it a little bit of a stir just to make sure that simple syrup and the bourbon have mixed okay. Don't stir it too much or you're going to start to get those mint leaves up into the drink, which you don't want. And what's really nice about this, the mint pairs with the taste of the bourbon really, really well. It cuts away some of that burn, but brings out a lot of the flavors. And the nice thing about this drink is it just dilutes as you go. So at first you're taking little sips. As it dilutes, you start drinking a little bit more. Really refreshing drink on a really hot day. So like I said, this is my second favorite cocktail. It's one you can really enjoy on a hot day. Cheers.